Good evening. Well, it hasn't been a bad day today to be out in the garden, and this is how the skies have been looking across a good part of the East Midlands through the daytime, captured in Loughborough by one of our weather watchers. It is turning wetter now, though, through the evening and overnight. This is a weather front pushing up from France, and it's mainly sort of clinging to eastern parts, but it will gradually bring some rain in through the latter part of the night. And nighttime temperatures with the cloud cover and the rain dropping no lower than 9 Celsius across the East Midlands. Tomorrow morning, that weather front still around initially, gradually starting to pull away towards the northeast. So I think it's a bit of a slow process, but we should start to see the skies brightening by the afternoon, and daytime temperatures as well, with a northwesterly breeze, highs of 17 Celsius.